oversupply issue has again come under the spotlight. Crude oil production in the US has hit a new record high, dragging down the commodity prices. Today, however, the oil is gaining momentum. The ruble closes the week advancing steadily against the US dollar. Yesterday, oil prices edged up slightly with the Brent quotes moving above the level of $63 per barrel. However, the price did not manage to hold at the new highs and slipped to the negative zone. Data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration weighed on commodity prices. It seems that the U.S. drives up oil production, creating the risk of oversupply in the market with declining demand. Crude oil inventories rose 2.22 million barrels over the week, largely exceeding analysts' forecasts. According to the EIA report, the growth of oil output is likely to continue in the future. Despite a drop of 1.3%, oil prices are still holding firmly high. In the early session, the benchmark crude oil was trading at $62.49 per barrel. Comments from White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow boosted investor sentiment. According to Larry Kudlow, the United States and China are getting close to signing the interim trade agreement. The trade talks are progressing smoothly. However, Donald Trump is not yet ready to make a final decision. The possibility of a positive outcome in the US-China trade talks supported the markets. Today, traders are waiting for the EIA monthly report on crude stockpiles. The data is unlikely to have a significant impact on oil quotes, which will probably stay in line with other risky assets. The Russian currency extended gains during yesterday's session, with the dollar-ruble pair retreating below the level of 64. Today, the price is trying to hold near this level. There are no strong trading signals for the market participants on Friday. The currencies of the emerging markets, including the ruble, are mainly influenced by the trade negotiations. Oil prices are providing moderate support to the ruble in today's trade. It seems that internal factors do not have any significant impact on the ruble. The overall neutral background is likely to keep the ruble near the reached levels throughout the day. The Bank of Russia announced that inflation could fall below 3% in 2020, but then it was likely to return to 4%. This forecast may confirm the regulator's intention to cut the rates further. Today, the release of the US macroeconomic data may pose a threat to the ruble. In case of strong retail data and increased industrial production, the dollar may receive additional support. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.